Hi Kitty fam, welcome back to my channel. So Plum launched a lot of new products and their birthday sale is also back. So is their iconic buy two get two free offer which only happens once a year. So I thought it will be a perfect time to give you my reviews and also birthday sale pics. So let's get going. And I think this year these PR boxes are also available for everyone, but these are limited boxes and you get their vitamin C serum, niacinamide moisturizer and vanilla vibes perfume. Also there's this pouch in this bottom drawer where you can keep your jewelry. There were also cookies which I already ate. And if you take this drawer out, you get this little notebook which is very cute. And I think this is priced at 2,999 rupees after 40% off. I just wanted to quickly show you this PR box if you guys wanna get your hands on it. Okay, let's start with my number one pick for this sale, and it's the Plum 10% Vitamin C Serum. It's the newest launch. This is the most lightweight vitamin C serum I've ever used, which is why I prefer it over their 15% vitamin C serum. It is perfect for the humid Indian summers. If you're a beginner, you can start with the 10% and then go for the 15%. This 10% also has ceramides, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, and it doesn't leave a hint of heaviness or oil on my skin. It almost feels like water on my skin, and of course it leaves a beautiful glow on my skin every time I use it. So highly recommend this. My next pick is a very new launch, 1% Marine Spring Water Toning Mist. Now Marine Spring Water is rich in so many minerals like iron, magnesium, lithium, zinc that revitalize your skin. This is a very fine mist, so lightweight yet deeply nourish your skin. Highly recommend to pick this during their birthday sale. Next is also a new launch, 1% Vitamin C Ultra Light Glow Gel Cream Moisturizer. It is as lightweight as their 10% Vitamin C serum. I love to pair both these together, and it gives a beautiful glow to my skin yet does not make my skin heavy or greasy. So lightweight, perfect for the summer monsoon season. Now let's talk about the perfumes quickly, because they launched a lot of new perfumes this year and honestly they are so good for their prices. Tulips Don't Lie perfume. This one is fresh, floral and super easy to wear. I have a mini of it. It smells like a pretty bouquet of flowers. If you like soft feminine fragrances, then go for it. It's very everyday kind of perfume. I really like how this one smells. It's not a cheap floral fragrance. It doesn't give you headache. It's not too sweet. It's just so delicate, and it's something every girl would like. Next is also Pistachio perfume by Plum Body Loving. This one smells like a cool pistachio ice cream, fresh summer vibes. It's a day perfume. If you like something light and daily wear, go for it. Vanilla Caramello perfume is a warm, cozy scent that smells like a yummy dessert. If you have used their body lotion, then this one is a no-brainer. Right now it's smelling like flowers, ice cream and bakery all at the same time. I recently tried their newly launched moisturizer, Plum Bulgarian Rose and 1% hyaluronic acid moisturizer. As you can see, I've already finished quite a lot, but this one is a little bit more heavier than their niacinamide moisturizer, perfect for dry and dehydrated skin types, but still so lightweight, like it's a gel-based moisturizer. It literally melts into the skin but gives deeper hydration than niacinamide. You might get this as a freebie on your buy 3 get 3 offer. My next recommendation is don't even think about it, just get this moisturizer. This is their rice water and 2% niacinamide moisturizer, and I have finished tubs of it. It's the best gel based moisturizer under 500 rupees. I buy it every summer because it is so lightweight. If you have oily acne prone skin type, then go for this. It just melts into my skin without making it greasy. Now they have so many serums, but my number one favorite serum has to be their rice water and 10% niacinamide serum. But now I feel their 10% vitamin C serum is also my number one, so it's a tie. I love the rice water and niacinamide combo. There's something so magical about it. This serum has the most beautiful milky consistency. There's no niacinamide serum that makes the skin bright like this one does. I also have the new bottle which comes with this pump, so it works so much better with with the milky consistency. In their previous bottle, the dropper, I feel it used to struggle with the milky consistency, but this is perfection now. Now this body lotion, I'm gonna be getting it with the buy 3 get 3 offer because I go through so many bottles of this body lotion throughout the year, so it makes sense because it's not just me, my whole family use this body lotion, so I'm gonna stock this. It smells amazing. You will smell like bakery or a dessert. Nourishes the body like no other because it has shea butter and plant-based oils, so it keeps the skin soft for whole day. This is like the best smelling body lotion out there, and I just love how affordable this is. My next pick for hair care is coconut milk and peptides shampoo for soft hair. Peptides seals in moisture to keep your hair moisturized, and coconut milk makes them soft. So if you have rough and dry hair type, which is my mom's, then go for this. She really likes it. So yeah, these are all my faves, and if you use my code MANVI10, you'll get an additional 10% off on your order. And this is the only time they do such huge sale and offers, so it's the perfect time to stock up on your plums. Let me quickly list all the offers and crazy deals they are giving. Number 1, they have buy 2 get 2 free plus mini freebies and merch. Number 2, buy 3 get 3. You will either get this Moonkiss Drama body mist or their hyaluronic acid moisturizer. Number 4, they're giving one lucky shopper a sponsored trip to Hong Kong Disneyland. Yeah, I think I've shared everything, and this is only applicable on their website and app. And yeah, so I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.